In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect JBL Charge 5 to Samsung TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to talk about the two main ways to connect your JBL speakers to your TV. So, the easiest and most convenient way to do this is going to be over Bluetooth. So first, if your TV has Bluetooth capabilities, follow the instructions that I'm gonna give you now, and if it doesn't, then you will be able to skip ahead for an alternative method. If your TV has Bluetooth, then all that you have to do is go over to your TV settings, navigate to the sound settings, sound output, and usually you will be able to find the Bluetooth settings in there. Make sure that Bluetooth capabilities are enabled. You can usually find them under audio or Bluetooth settings by themselves. So once Bluetooth is enabled, you have to put your JBL Charge 5 into pairing mode. So all that you have to do is press and hold the Bluetooth button on your JBL Charge 5. Usually this will trigger the pairing mode and the LED indicator is going to start flashing blue and white. So all that you have to do after it is in pairing mode is to put it in close proximity of your TV. Your Samsung TV should automatically search for Bluetooth devices once that is enabled. Next, you will be able to find it under the list of available devices, and when you choose it, it is going to be connected. As long as it is connected and in close proximity, you will be able to listen to all of the audio coming through the TV, and you will be able to use your JBL speaker. So all that you have to do is put it in pairing mode in close proximity of your Samsung TV, and as long as it has Bluetooth capabilities enabled, you will be able to connect it. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, if your specific model of Samsung TV does not feature Bluetooth capabilities or you are not able to set it up, then you will have to use a wired connection. Usually this can be done with an aux port. So just connect the Bluetooth speaker from JBL into the TV with a cable and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Charge 5 to Samsung TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.